So in this question, we have to find out the current through the 20-volt battery. That is basically, we have to find out the current in this branch, PS. Current through 20-volt battery is the current in the branch PS.
Yes.
We will be using Kirchhoff's loop law to find out the currents in different branches and find out the current to this 20-volt battery. So let us say that from 20-volt battery, there is a current I1 coming out like this. So it will.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now from 10-volt battery, suppose there is a current I2 coming out. Travel I2 is going like this. Now from Kirchhoff's junction law, we know that if I1 and I2 current are coming at the point A, I1 plus I2 would be going through the 5-volt battery.
Yes, sir.
Current in this junction, in this branch AC will be how much? I1 plus I2 like this.
I2.
1 plus I2. Now come to the point C. See, for the point C, how will this I1 and I2 distribute? For that,
I1 will be going to 1 ohm, I2 will be going to 2 ohms.
yes, because we know that whatever current is coming out of the cell, that much current has to get into that cell only. So
Yes, sir.
1 ohm, we will be having I1 going, and on this we will be having I2 going.
I2.
Like this it goes.
Yes, sir.
Now let us apply Kirchhoff's loop law. It's like this. So first take this loop, taking the loop PACS. PACS. Now in this loop from P to A, I1 current is going, there is a drop in voltage. So I will write it like -2 I1. Clear?
Yes, sir.
From A to C, there is a 5-volt battery. We are moving the positive to the negative terminal. So
Negative.
drop in voltage. So again -5 volt.
-5.
Then
Yes, sir.
from 1 ohm battery, there is a drop of voltage again because we are moving in the direction of the current.
Yes, sir.
We will be writing minus of 1 into I1.
1. Yes, sir.
I1 plus I2 like this.
Yes, sir.
We have this again 1 ohm battery. Again, we are moving in the direction of current. So drop of voltage. So again,
Minus.
1 into I1.
Minus. Yes, sir.
So that is minus I1.
I1.
2 ohm battery. We are having again
Minus.
current. So minus.
-2 into I1.
Then we have this 20-volt battery. We are moving from the negative terminal of the battery to the positive terminal. So there is a rise of voltage plus 20
+20.
is equal to 0.
Yes, sir.
Now just we have to solve this. This is -2 I1 minus 5 minus, open this back bracket. So we have minus
I1 plus
minus I2.
minus I2
Then again minus I1.
minus I1
Then minus
minus
2I1
2I1 plus
plus
20.
20 is equal to 0.
Yes, 0.
Now see, we have 20 minus 5. So that is 15. On one side we can keep it 15. And
Yes, sir.
right side, if we take this 2I1 and I1, 3I1, 4I1
3I1,
and 2, 6I1.
6I1,
This will be 6I1
6I1 plus I2.
plus I2. So we got an equation 6I1 plus I2
I2
is equal to
equals to
15.
Yes,
This is
sir.
our equation 1. Okay. Now
Yes, sir.
come to this loop, come to the other loop. this smaller loop. We could have taken another loop also. There is a bigger loop. You could have taken this loop also, P, A, Q, R, C also. From this also we can solve it. But let us take
Yes, sir.
this smaller loop. Let us start from the point from this branch AQ. We are moving opposite to the direction of current.
Direction of current.
So there is a rise of voltage. So we will be writing it plus I2.
I2.
Okay. Plus 1 I2, that
I2.
is I2. Now here we are moving from positive to negative terminal. So minus 10 volt
Plus.
drop of voltage. Then again
Okay.
this portion for 2 ohm, we are moving opposite to the current. So
Direction.
rise of voltage again
Plus
plus
2
2 I2.
into I2. Yes, sir.
Then here again we have 2 I2 plus 2 I2.
Plus 2 I2.
Okay, then we have 1 ohm and I1 plus I2 is moving. Again, we are moving opposite to the current. So this is plus I1
Plus I1 plus I2.
plus I1 plus I2.
Yes, sir.
Now this is from negative terminal to the positive terminal. So plus 5 volt
Yes, sir.
plus 5 is equal to 0. Now again we have to solve this. Now I2, 2 I2, 3 I2, 2 I2, 5 I2 and I2, 6 I2. And there is one I1. So I will write it I1 plus 6 I2 is equal to how much? 5 minus 10 minus 5. On this side it will become 5. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Now we have one more equation. This 6 I1 plus I2 is equal to 15 and this one I1 plus,
I1 plus 6 I2 is equals to 5.
let us multiply this equation by 6. This will become 6 I1
I1
plus
plus
36
36
I2
I2 is
is
equals to
equal
30.
to
30.
30. And this is the equation we have 6 I1 plus I2 is equal to 15. Subtract these two equations, minus, minus, minus. We get
Okay.
6 I1 minus 6 I1, this is cancelled.
Cancel.
6 I2 minus I2, this will be 35.
That is a 35 I2.
And this is 30
15.
minus 15, this is 15.
15.
So you will get I2 is equal to 15 by 35.
35.
And that will be equal to by 7 ampere. So we got the value of I2. They are
Yes.
asking the current in 20 volt. So
20 volts.
better we could have eliminated I2 here and found I1 because they are asking I1 basically. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So we can find out I1 using any of the equations. Let us use this equation 1. We have 6 I1
6 I1 plus
plus in place of
3
I2 I
by
can write
7. 3
3 by
by 7.
7 is equal to 15. So we have 6 I1 is equal to 15 minus 3 by 7. So this is 6 I1 is equal to this is 7 ja 105 minus 3 will be equal to 102 by 7. Is it okay? This calculation.
Yes, sir.
So we have I1 is equal to 102 by 7.
By 7 minus,
So cancel
that
this
is
6 1 ja and 7 ja. So we have I1 is equal to 17 by 7
10.
amperes. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now see, we could have taken, there are three loops basically here. The smaller P, A, C, S, P, another loop A, Q, R, C, A, and there is a larger loop P, A, Q, R, C, S. So any
Okay.
of the two loops can give you the answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.